How to make high-speed peanut toffee or crumble. Take a dish suited for high temperature or microwave use. In this case, I'm using a glass bowl. Add 50 grams of ordinary white table sugar. Add 10 grams of water just purely to moisten the sugar and stir it together. Once all the sugar is moist, stick it in the microwave and give it a minute at full power. Then give it 20-second or 30-second increments depending on your microwave power. If it's a low power microwave, 30-second, high power microwave, 20-second. But each time, make sure you open the door and look at it before giving it another 20 or 30 seconds, because as soon as any area of it starts to go golden, that's when you stop. This is perfect. In fact, I might have actually gone a wee bit over that, but not to worry. So after about 2 minutes, you want to cool this down by adding as much peanut butter as you want. Peanut butter going in. So I'm going to actually just mix that in. Note that the liquid sugar is currently at round about twice the temperature of boiling water. And because it's in a glass container, you have to be quite careful what you put that on, how you handle it. I've got it on kitchen towel here purely to protect the surface of the bench, but also to make sure that there's a nice dry, non-cold surface to put this on, because otherwise it could cause the glass to crack with the sudden temperature change. Mix the peanut butter in. If you do it with 25 grams, as I've just done, you're going to get a fairly hard toffee. If you go with 50 grams, you're going to get something that resembles a fudgy, crispy, crumbly tablet, actually. It's quite nice. Once you've got that fully mixed in, get a piece of kitchen foil, shiny side up, and put scoops of your gooey substance onto that. Then once you've done that, stick it in the fridge to chill and actually just harden up. At this point I should mention that, it's very gooey and it's very hot. At this point I should mention that cleaning up is super easy. Once you've emptied this bowl, just let it cool down to a sensible temperature and then put some warm water in it with a dash of washing up liquid. And for the spoon, allow the spoon to cool to a safe temperature and lick it like a lollipop just until it's clean, or dip it in your coffee or whatever you want to do. I'll just make a huge mess here. In fact, I'll just extend that bit. I'll make it into a huge blob of toffee. So I'll be back in a moment once this has set. And in the time it took me to suck that spoon clean, it's ready. It's set. Now I've got two versions here. I've got the one I've just made with the toffee, and I have to say, I did overcook the sugar a bit, so it's got that slight bitter note. That took approximately 2 minutes total before it started caramelizing. And it's worth mentioning that as soon as you see it starting to go golden, take it out and it will keep going golden. That's why I overdid it there, but not to worry. But this has resulted with the 25 grams of peanut, it's resulted in a hard toffee. With 50 grams of peanut butter, it's made it more of a sort of tablety texture, sort of soft, crumbly, crispy peanut texture. I'll just taste it and tell you. It's like peanut tablet. Whereas this stuff is much harder. Very crunchy. Very, very nice. So for further information, go down into the description down below, and you'll find more information about this recipe. And the dish, having soaked for a short spell of time with some detergent in it, is just basically just wash clean. It's a very easy and clean recipe to make.